serpentine belt kit for the Monte Carlo. Now, this is, we purchased it with, when we take it inside, you're gonna see that it has the black anodized color to it, where the water pump and the power steering pump, the actual assembly itself is the raw aluminum. So Raed gotta mask it up, paint it black, because if not, you're gonna see this sticking out with the motors already painted black. You know, this stuff here, you know, it'll kind of be like a sore thumb. So we mask everything up, shoot it black, gloss black, and then we'll quickly go ahead and assemble the serpentine belt kit. On the Pontiac, when we bought the serpentine belt kit, it didn't come with the AC line. So this mounts to the top of the compressor, and then these would be your holes, your dash. I think it's a dash 8 and it's a 10, or a 6 and a 10, whatever it is. And we got a crimp kit where we can make the lines already on the way. It's gonna be dope, man. The assembly, the fit and finish of all of this is gonna be super dope. If you look at the exhaust manifolds, and you put light on it, you see how that surface rust got on it? So we'll take those off, sand them down, put some high temperature paint on it as a protective coating, because that's the, you know, that's what happened with a raw steel, you know, exhaust manifold. So. From Africa, you don't get this in America. You don't like them. This is American. You know. This is what we do here at VTSV Auto, guys. We take the right approach, do it the right way. Look at those cutouts, man. Look at them cutouts. Oh man, so no paint don't get in there, man. Check that out, man. Ooh, what? It's still functioning? Wait a minute. Look at those bearings.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Wow. This is the bracket on it. Everything is all there. You know, so this is what you want, man.
Oh yeah,
And we're gonna show you the front of it, what you'll actually see. You know, it don't have the wood grain, but it do have the chrome accents.
Like
all of this stuff right here, chrome accents, that wasn't on there. So
I like the black better.
yeah, and it's gonna look better because its interior is all black.
Yeah.
You know, so you know, it does come with a brand new glove box. You know. Look real good, man. VTSV Auto family, man, I'm gonna let y'all know, man, we got some good guys in the building today, man. We got Hollywood Engines in the building. There's another brother that's in Longwood. He's around the corner from where my shop at. Like, I met him over a year ago. He specialized in LS motors. So we doing the LS build here, and I knew he was a guy to call for a little tricky situation we ran into. Putting on the harmonic balancer, we needed a particular thread type to be able to push that harmonic balancer back in and everything. So definitely good to have him in the building. So we could probably go over and learn a little bit from him and use, you know, the proper tool to get it on the right way. But real quick, we got the LS going back in the 70 Monte Carlo. You do know it's a single turbo. The one thing we had to kind of hurdle was the outlet for the single turbo had to clear the serpentine belt pulley, you know, so we got a good set for the 3-inch, you know, down pipe that'll come up to the T4 flange for the turbo. So It's a little more expensive setup. We wanted to go with the Holley setup, but it was on back order so long. This one was in stock. You know, it was $1,300 more than the original one that we wanted to go with. But for the most part, it came with the anodized, the black anodized part. If you've seen in the video, Justin's going to show you that beforehand, some of the stuff, the compressor, the alternator, and even the water pump had a aluminum finish, a machine finish, which I didn't understand. If you're going to have a black anodized kit, that's going to throw it off. So obviously we masked it up, we painted those pieces, painted the water pump, and then we got Mr. Rich to put it in. So, like, what's the deal though? Why wouldn't the other two that we rented from the
I don't know.
They probably didn't have the right.
I got to see what you got here.